Okay, good morning, girls. I'm doing another version of this one because the volume was not good in the last one. So here we are, class participation assignments, and for you, assignments 17 and 18 are still open. So 18 is the practice, which we'll do today in class. And to use it, you just open the test. You'll be in Lockdown Browser when you do this practice, so hopefully you get a little bit of practice again on that. So here is the question that I set you for practice. You cannot take notes and you must speak for 1 minute. Even if you make 50 seconds, I will accept, okay? But please try to make it. And to do that, you need to have introduction, 3 points, and conclusion. Now, the speaking. The speaking, because it's on a Lockdown Browser, you have to use another online which has a link. And this application is very easy to use, and you simply click on that link. Then you're taken to the voice recording application, and you click on this button which starts the recording, this red button. Okay, a job that I will describe that I really like is the job of a teacher. A teacher is in charge of the education of her students. A teacher's job is a very busy job, and she is responsible for preparing lessons, giving tests, and grading. She also has to attend meetings and do research on new ways of teaching. She also has to know a lot about IT skills. Secondly, the job of a teacher needs a lot of knowledge and skills. Firstly, she needs to have a degree in education and a certificate in teaching. Then she also needs communication skills, IT skills, presentation skills, and she really needs to like working with people and helping people. She needs to be a good listener and be able to support students if they have problems. Finally, the job of a teacher has long hours. She does have a regular schedule, but she has to work most of the day. Also, she has a very good vacation in the summer. Usually most teachers have 8 weeks of vacation per year. Also, a teacher has a good salary. It is not a very high salary, but it is a good salary. Many teachers also like to work part-time, especially if they're a mum of a family. These are a few details about the job of a teacher. Then, when you click that red button again, it will stop. Okay? So, at this time, then you click Save and Share, and you will see a link comes up. You have to copy this link, and to do that, go to the box on the side and just click it. Okay, you see this, I'm sure it's the same on your WhatsApp. Okay, so you just click that and it copies the link to the clipboard. Now, the next thing that you have to do in your test is go to the back button to get back into Blackboard. Okay? Unfortunately, when I checked the test, I could not see the Blackboard page, so I had to click on this back button to get back into it. Okay? So it takes just a minute to process, and then you come to this text box and you click the cursor into the box like that, because that's where you're going to paste the link. So on Windows, you will press Control and V, and that will paste it. On a Mac, you have to hold the Command key and hit the V key. Okay, so I have Windows, so it's Control and V, and that's your link. Okay, and when you're done with that, then you simply save and submit, and click OK, and click OK. Okay, and that's you finished with that. Now, the most important thing is you have very little time. Okay. So there is only 5 minutes, so I think for you girls you gotta not take any notes, just read the question, think about it in your mind for 1 minute and then speak. Now, if you expire the time, it's not the end of the world. I can cancel it and do it again, but it is going to take a lot more time and it gets stressful. So as much as you can, please try to do it on the first submission. Okay, it is the first one and you're not expected to do everything perfectly, but please, all I need is for you to try and to follow the example and not to take notes and to speak for 1 minute and then, just copy paste. Okay, thank you.